Travel means something different to everyone. For some, it is about adventure and movement. For others, it is about rest, reflection, or reconnecting with people they love. Some travelers chase food, some chase nature, some chase silence, and some just want a place that feels different from everyday life. The beauty of the United States is that it quietly offers all of this. You do not need one version of travel to fit everyone. You just need the right place for the right kind of traveler. On Plan My Trip, this journey is about matching destinations to people. Not trends, not hype, just places that truly fit the way different people love to travel. Whether you travel solo, with family, with friends, on a budget, or with a desire to slow everything down, there is a place in the USA that feels like it was made for you. Let's start with a traveler who craves energy, culture, and the feeling that something is always happening around them. For the city explorer, New York City. If you love cities, New York City is not just a destination. It is an experience that never repeats itself the same way twice. Every neighborhood feels like a different world. One moment you're walking through quiet brownstone streets. The next you are surrounded by neon lights, food carts, and music spilling out of open doors. This is the kind of place where mornings begin with coffee from a corner cafe, afternoons disappear inside museums or parks, and nights stretch late into conversations, shows, or rooftop views. City explorers love New York because it rewards curiosity. You do not need a plan here. You just need comfortable shoes and a willingness to wander. For the nature lover, Yosemite National Park. Some travelers do not want noise or crowds. They want space. They want to breathe deeply and feel small in the best way possible. Yosemite is made for this kind of traveler. Towering granite cliffs, quiet valleys, and waterfalls that seem unreal create an environment that slows everything down. Days here are not rushed. You wake with the sun, hike through forests that smell like pine and earth, and sit quietly watching light move across stone. At night, the stars feel closer than they do anywhere else. Nature lovers come here not to be entertained, but to be reminded of how peaceful the world can feel. For the beach seeker, Maui. Beach travel is not just about sand and water, it is about rhythm. Maui moves differently than most places. Mornings feel gentle. Afternoons are slow and warm. Evenings are built around sunsets that pull everyone outside. Beach seekers love Maui because it offers balance. You can snorkel in clear water, drive scenic coastal roads, hike through rainforests, and still find quiet beaches where time seems to pause. This is the kind of trip where shoes become optional, schedules disappear, and the only real decision is whether to watch the sunset from the beach or from your balcony. For the budget traveler, New Orleans. Budget travel does not mean sacrificing experience. New Orleans proves that some of the richest travel experiences cost very little. Music spills into the streets. History lives in every building. Food is everywhere, and it is unforgettable. You can walk the French Quarter, listen to live jazz, eat incredible meals, and explore historic neighborhoods without spending much at all. Budget travelers love New Orleans because it feels generous. The culture is open. The experiences are accessible. And the memories you take home feel far more valuable than what you spend. For the solo traveler, Portland. Solo travel is about comfort and curiosity. Portland offers both. It is walkable, welcoming, and filled with small moments that feel personal. Coffee shops where no one rushes you. Bookstores where time disappears. Parks and neighborhoods that feel safe to explore alone. Solo travelers love Portland because it does not demand anything from you. You can be social or quiet. You can explore or stay still. The city meets you where you are, which makes it ideal for travelers who enjoy moving at their own pace. For the family traveler, Orlando. Family travel needs ease, variety, and places that work for different ages at the same time. Orlando does this better than almost anywhere else. Beyond theme parks, the city offers resorts designed for families, activities that keep kids engaged, and enough downtime for parents to actually relax. The best family trips are not about doing everything. They are about reducing stress. Orlando works because logistics are simple. Transportation, dining, and entertainment are designed to make travel easier, which means families can focus on enjoying time together instead of managing details. For the adventure seeker, Moab. Adventure travelers want movement. They want landscapes that challenge them and days that leave them tired in the best way possible. Moab delivers this with red rock deserts, dramatic arches, and endless opportunities to hike, climb, bike, and explore. This is not a place for passive travel. Moab invites you to push yourself, whether that means tackling a trail, waking before sunrise, or watching the stars after a long day outdoors. Adventure seekers leave Moab with stories, not souvenirs. For the luxury traveler, Napa Valley. Luxury travel is not just about price, it is about intention and quality. Napa Valley offers refinement without pressure. Everything here is designed to feel thoughtful. The food, the wine, the pace. Luxury travelers love Napa because it allows indulgence without excess. You savor meals. You linger over views. You stay somewhere beautiful and quiet. The experience feels elevated but never rushed, which is what true luxury really is. For the slow traveler, Charleston. Slow travel is about staying present. Charleston invites this naturally. Cobblestone streets, historic homes, and warm coastal air create an atmosphere where rushing feels unnecessary. You walk more than you drive. You sit longer at meals. You watch light change over water. Slow travelers love Charleston because it rewards patience. The city reveals itself gradually, one conversation, one meal, one quiet moment at a time. For the traveler who wants something different, Santa Fe. Some travelers are not looking for familiar experiences. They want a place that feels unexpected. Santa Fe offers culture, art, and history that feel entirely distinct from the rest of the country. Adobe buildings, desert light, Native American and Spanish influences, and a creative spirit make Santa Fe feel deeply unique. Travelers who want something different leave feeling inspired, grounded, and slightly transformed. The truth about travel is this: there is no single best destination. There is only the best destination for you right now. The best trips happen when the place matches your energy, your needs, and the way you want to experience the world. The United States is vast enough to hold every kind of traveler. Whether you seek movement or stillness, connection or solitude, comfort or challenge, there is a place waiting that fits you perfectly. If this video helped you see travel differently, make sure to subscribe to Plan My Trip. Because the right trip is not about going far, it is about going where you truly belong next.